Coming here, I could experience what the main character would have gone through. Seeing those camels, seeing those sheep, and looking at the faces and what they're trying to say, and looking at these rocks, looking at the sand, you gain so much of interaction with nature. And I feel that's very important for the music.
பெரியோனே என் ரஹ்மானே, பெரியோனே ரஹீ, பெரியோனே என் ரஹ்மானே, பெரியோனே ரஹீ. അങ്ങകലെ അങ്ങകലെ മണ്ണിൽ പുതുമഴ വീഴണുണ്ടേ, മണ്ണിൽ